In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to clean a window with the Waterfed Pole using only purified water. As you can see, this window is recessed and would harbour dirt at the top of the frame. First, we would need to clean the frames and the sills. If the window has been cleaned with traditional methods and this was the first time using a Waterfed Pole, we would not only need to remove the dirt but also the soap residue from the corners of the windows. On first cleans, I would typically clean half a dozen frames at a time. This allows time for the dirty water to run down onto the glass and out of any air vents. You can then return to glazing to agitate the dirt with a soft bristle brush. You will quickly learn how much time you'll need to agitate dirt by how easy the brush glides over the surface and how clean the water is running off as you're scrubbing. After scrubbing, return to the top of the window and with a side-to-side motion, rinse away the residue, only to leave pure water droplets to dry crystal clear. First cleans and infrequent cleans can be cleaned faster by using either heated or ultra-pure water. If you'd like to learn more about the different cleaning systems and how they can assist your business, check out ionicssystems.com.